This is the start of a well laid out irrigation system, and the way that you really should design a system is instead of just having 2 or 3 heads that would cover the entire backyard in a case like this, you have multiple heads that concentrate on a much smaller area. That means a lot less evaporation, a lot less use of water, and a better overall job in keeping all the plants and lawn nice and healthy. You know, now that we've gotten it to this point, it's kind of hard to remember what it looked like before we started this project, but I do remember a big stand of bamboo right in here, and I can even see a few pieces of the bamboo still over on the neighbor's side of the fence. I also remember everything was so overgrown it just didn't look very healthy or very attractive at all. But once all of this is complete, that's going to change a lot. But first, our irrigation guys have to complete all of their work. With all of the trenching complete, the next step for these guys is running hundreds of feet of PVC pipe to deliver the water. The individual sprinkler heads attached to the main supply lines through a short piece of flexible pipe. This allows more precise placement of each fixture and prevents the main line from being damaged if one of the heads should happen to get hit or broken by lawn equipment. The lines for each of these zones come together in a manifold where the flow to each zone is controlled by a valve, which is operated by a low voltage signal from the system control panel.